to go to bed and wake up smarter or wake up with a better memory.
Health editor Dr. Maria Simbra explains what pink noise is and how it could give your brain a big boost.
Lots of people need a little noise to fall asleep.
I just like the fan noise. It really seems to calm whatever it is in my brain that decides to get ramped up when there's complete silence.
You hear like the little vibrations in the back, it makes me feel like super good. I go to sleep like really well.
I need a constant noise, makes me falling asleep better. I mean, we live in a very quiet area. There's no noise from the road, but I like it. I like rain when I'm in my bed.
When it's raining outside and I go to sleep, that's actually better than the TV.
Researchers are paying closer attention to the type of noise and how this affects sleep and memory. You may have heard of white noise. With a combination of different frequencies, here is pink noise.
If you think about pink noise, it sounds a little bit like a waterfall, a gentle waterfall.
Previous studies have shown that pink noise can boost slow-wave sleep.
We know that slow-wave sleep, or delta sleep, real deep sleep, is good for memory.
So could pink noise also improve memory? A group of 13 study participants ages 60 and older were monitored in a sleep lab for 2 nights. One night they were exposed to pink noise once they reached slow-wave sleep. One night they were not. They took memory tests before bed and in the morning.
It did seem to strengthen slow-wave sleep, and the next morning their memory on word recall was increased by about 25%.
To figure out what this means, we need more study with more people, more types of noise, more stages of sleep, and more nights of sleep. But the findings are provocative.
If they could show this actually improved memory, especially with the fear of Alzheimer's and dementia in our aging population, it could be a big thing, but right now we just don't know.
Using pink noise, just like they did in the study, would be hard to do at home.
Right now they don't have the algorithms to be able to time it outside of a study.
But you could search for pink noise on your favorite device and play it all night. It's something simple and non-invasive to try. I'm Dr. Maria Simbra, KDKA-TV News.